Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to see about partnership accounts. In a partnership firm, the daily transactions are recorded according to the principles of double entry system. However, the net profit as shown by profit and loss account is transferred to another account called the profit and loss appropriation account. Before ascertaining the partnership firm's profit, we have to make some necessary adjustments in order to adjust the rights of the partners. The first adjustment we have to be made in interest on capital. The interest on capital is generally calculated on the opening balance of partners' capital. If the opening capital is not given in the sum, it is to be calculated by this way. First, you have to add drawings and interest on drawings with closing balance of capital. Then you have to subtract the amount of interest on capital, additional capital if any, and profit credited in the year. Now we will get the opening capital. If there is any loss credited in the P&L appropriation account, you have to add it with closing balance of capital. The journal entries for adjustment of interest on capital is interest on capital account data to partners capital or current account. At the end of the year, interest on capital account is to be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. For that, the journal entry is to be made like profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital account. Once again, I repeat the journal entries. The first entry is interest on capital account data to partners capital or current account. The second entry is profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital account. The next adjustment related to partners capital account is interest on drawings. In the absence of an agreement, no interest can be charged on drawings by the partners. But it is usual to charge interest on drawings where interest on capital is allowed. For that, the journal entry for interest on drawings will be partners capital or current account data to interest on drawings account. At the end of the year, interest on drawing accounts to be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. For that, the journal entry is interest on drawings account data to profit and loss appropriation account. The next transaction to be adjusted is partner's salary or commission. Salary to partners is charged to profit and loss appropriation account. So the journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account data to partners capital or current account. The fourth adjustment is interest on partner's loan. Generally, it will carry 6% interest. The journal entry for it is interest on partner's loan account data to partner's loan account. It should be noted that interest on partner's loan must be transferred to partner's capital or current account. In the case of partnership accounting, it is usually allocate interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission, and the respective share of profit or loss to the capital accounts of partners through the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation is an extension of usual profit and loss account for the purpose of adjusting transactions. The discussed adjustments are carried out in profit and loss appropriation account in this manner. If there is any trading profit, it should write in credit side of P&L appropriation account. Otherwise, it should write in debit side. Interest on drawings, it should write in credit side. Interest on partners capital, salary, commission and partners loan, it should write in debit side. After transferring all these items into profit and loss appropriation account at the end of the year, we have to close this account. If there is any excess amount in credit side, it should be called as net profit. That net profit should be transferred to partner's capital or current account. If the debit side amount is over than the credit side amount, it is called as net loss. The capital accounts of partnership firm may be prepared under the two methods, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Under fixed capital method, there are two accounts for each partner. The first one is partner's capital account and the second one is partner's current account. The partner's capital account is credited with the original amount of capital introduced by the partner into the business. It is to be credited subsequently with extra capital introduced by the partner during the year or debited with the amount of capital permanently withdrawn by the partner. No other adjustments are made in this account. The partner's current account is maintained for making all other entries relating to interest on partner's capital, drawings, partner's loan, share of profit, partner's salary and commission, etc. In the capital account, in credit side, you have to write opening balance of capital account, and in the debit side, you have to write closing balance of capital account. In the current account, you have to write opening balance of current account, interest on capital, salary, commission and share of profit in credit side, and drawings, interest on drawings in debit side. Finally, you have to find out the closing balance of current account. Under fluctuating capital method, the capital account of a partner does not remain at its original balance but fluctuates quite frequently. The reason is that all adjustments in respect of drawings, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary or commission to partners, share of profit or loss, etc. are made directly in the capital account itself. So you have to credit the amount of opening balance of partner's capital account, interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit. In the debit side, you have to write drawings and interest on drawings in their respective partner's capital account. Finally, you have to calculate closing balance of partner's capital account. Kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you.